All you have to do is log on to this completely new website that I've never mentioned before. Set it up like how I explained to you in this video, and then sit back and relax while generating money again and again. Today, I'll teach you not just how to make money online through passive income, but I'll also show you how you can copy what they're doing and make even more money. Stay tuned to find out how. And now, just before we start, if it is your first time in here, welcome to the Daily Dollars channel. Where I will teach you methods and strategies on how to make money online. Before we go to our video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, smash the like button, and click the notification bell to be notified whenever we upload a new video. And don't forget to leave a comment down below. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. So, a website we will be using today, guys, is none other than OfferVault.com. Now, if you don't know what this is, OfferVault is basically an affiliate marketplace where you can find hundreds of thousands of different offers to promote. And whenever you refer someone to a certain offer, you get paid. Now, one type of offer on this site that we want to use is the CPA offer. CPA stands for cost per action, and what this means is that a person you refer to an offer doesn't have to spend any money for you to get paid. This is why we want to use them, because convincing someone to sign up is much easier than convincing someone to buy something. Now, depending on the offer you are promoting, you will get paid more or less. Some offers pay like $5 per lead, while some pay like $50 per lead. So it all depends on what you are promoting. With all of that said, you first want to sign up on this site before you can start promoting anything. And as such, you want to click on register right up here. On the next page, you want to enter in your first and last names, your email address, password, select the country you live in, and by the way, when you click here, you will see that this does work worldwide, so it doesn't matter where you're coming from. Anyhow, to finish the process and create your account, just click on Submit Now right down here. Now, once you have your account, you obviously want to find an offer to promote. To do so, you want to click on Categories right here and then select CPA. Since after all, we are looking for CPA offers in particular. And from there, you want to pick one of these offers right here. And here's a tip. Make sure the offer you want to promote is available worldwide. Since you don't want offers just available in like the US, for example, as that substantially limits the amount of traffic you can get, and thus the amount of money. Now, with that said, an offer I found and an offer I would highly recommend you pick is the one right here, guys. And as you can see, this is a CPA offer and will pay us $65 per lead, which is one of the highest paid offers I've ever seen because think about it. You're getting paid $65 for someone just signing up. It's insane! Furthermore, as you can see here, it's available in 236 countries around the globe. So our traffic isn't limited to a certain country. Now, as you can see, this is an affiliate offer about a drone website. And why we want to focus and promote this particular type of offer is because I have a way for you to get a lot of traffic. And I will show you people doing the very same thing we will be doing and making a ton of money online. So you will have proof that this works and will actually get you paid. And once again, you want to keep in mind that people don't need to purchase a drone from this particular site for you to get paid. They literally just need to sign up for free. And whether or not they purchase anything from there doesn't change the fact that you'll get paid $65. Now, with all of that said, since you will now also have an account, you want to grab an affiliate link to this particular offer. To do so, simply click on Run Offer right down here. And what happens from there is you will be taken to the actual network that is promoting this offer where you will need to sign up for free. Before we get into the next one, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below if you aren't subscribed yet and click the notification bell beside it to be notified every time we upload a brand new video and to be the first ones to know a million more ways to make money online. Don't forget to smash the like button and leave your comments down below to show your support and tell us what you think. The network in question in this case is called Affiliax. Now, I won't walk you through this process since it's different for every offer you are promoting, and since I know you will be able to sign up yourselves without my help. Anyway, with that done, since you now have the offer you want to promote an affiliate link, you now need a traffic source. And that traffic source will be YouTube. But before you get discouraged, hear me out. I will show you a way to get views to your YouTube video, real views, and thousands of them so you can make a lot of money promoting that offer. I showed you beforehand, and furthermore, you will not have to show your face on camera or record anything whatsoever. And as I said in the beginning, there are people doing this same thing and getting paid quite nicely. So please, keep watching. You won't regret it. Now, with that said, since we are promoting a drone website, we will obviously want drone videos. And so, the types of videos we will want to create should be along the lines of best drones in 2021, best drones for the price, and so on. Now, here's one video I opened up, and check this out. These videos were not filmed by the channel owner. What this person did was download various clips online and compile them into a single video, and then he uploaded that onto YouTube. So, as I promised you, you will not be recording anything. Now, here's the best part about this. Take a look at what I'll find in the description box below. These are affiliate links to the drones shown in the video. So, this person is making money in passive income with a video that he didn't even have to record. Here is another video I found, and this one is more recent too. And not only is it made in the same fashion, but once again, we can find affiliate links to all the drones shown in the said video in the description box below. So as you can see, people are doing this out there and making a ton of money. This should serve as a proof that this is indeed a legit way to get paid. But here's the thing, they are promoting drones from Amazon, and that has two major flaws. First off, Amazon offers outright abysmal commissions, which are 10% at most, but can go as low as 1% for certain offers. Secondly, and more importantly though, people need to purchase the drones in the description in order for the owner of the channel to get paid. Meanwhile, in our case, people just need to sign up for free on that drone website in order for us to earn $65, just like that. And so, as you can see, you have a huge potential here to earn a lot of money making these types of drone videos. And as you've seen, they do get thousands of views. But a software I would highly recommend you to check out in order to boost your views is this one right here, which is called VFly. The link of which I left in the description box below. With this software, you can use to boost the number of views on any YouTube video. And no, you won't be purchasing views whatsoever. As you can see below, they are using AdWords to promote your videos to the right audience. So you will use VFly here to bring people who are interested in drone videos to your own video, and who might click on that link you have in the description and earn you $65 every single time they do so. And since it's such a big amount of money, you need like 100 people to sign up to that site in order for you to earn like $6,500 just like that. Now, as you may guess, this is a paid software indeed, but I think it's well worth it because you can earn so much money per single sign up. And for those of you wondering about VFly's legitimacy, you want to go over to trustpilot.com and check out the reviews. And you will find out it has a rating of almost 4 stars. So it's definitely a legit website to get you views on your YouTube video. And here's the best part about this guy. Once you upload that video and promote it, if you so wish your work is essentially done, just leave the affiliate link in your description and get paid $65 again and again from there. Obviously, using VFly is optional, but if you do have a bit of money to spare, I highly recommend you do.
And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below to express your appreciation and support for this video. Also, hit that subscribe button down below to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell next to it so you'll be the first one to know whenever a new video is out on how to make extra money online using a variety of different methods. Big thanks to everyone who tuned in, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.